Alright, I apologize for all the wind. Update on the red Solo Cup tomatoes. These are a super sauce tomato from Burpee right here. And I wanted to show y'all the roots that were coming in at the bottom, what I was talking about. Yeah, leaving the rock down there, marble. It's a windy day, I apologize for that. I apologize to my tomatoes already about 10 times, but we're out here, we're thinning them out or transplanting them to another Solo Cup, and a bunch of these need some more soil in. So now's the time to add more soil, and so we're going to just top it off. We got some good potting soil we're topping it off with. Just a good potting soil, any potting soil, it don't really matter, just a good one. So we'll top it off and we'll water them in and take them back in and put them under the light because it's too early to be outside. Even though right now it's like 80 degrees, but I hope this wind isn't too rough on them. Alright, this is just old gear, and I'm going to finish up and get inside so I can cook here. Y'all have a good one. Grow you some tomatoes. Grow you something. Fresh food. Y'all have a good one. Bye for now. Alright folks, I do apologize about all that wind. We do have the tomatoes inside. They are watered in. What I use is a gallon jug for the water. I have tap water, so I fill up a jug of water and let it set for a day. I'll likely get 2 jugs going, so then I use a old measuring cup. She's seen better days, but we super glued her together and she's working. Yeah, we raise the light, raise the light, grow tomatoes. I know I can't sing worth a hoot, and y'all probably, your ears are probably hurting every time I sing. But if your ears are hurting, that means you're listening. So we needed to raise the light. We didn't have any boards, 2 boards that were the same size or close. So we got into our preps and got 2 boxes of aluminum foil. Or aluminium foil. Whatever you want to call it. Hey, some people call it aluminum. Would you look at the cucumbers? These are market more. That'd be awesome if they market more cucumbers for me. So we watered them in. I use just a potting soil, any brand, to top it off. I use the brand that comes in like a yellow and green bag. Some folks are going to holler at me, but hey, it's better than store-bought. So another day or 2, these plants will pop back up and be reaching for the light. Grab the light. Well, don't grab the light, it's hot. Alright, it's just a gear and I'm rambling here. Global gardening, homesteading skills. Y'all have a good one. Bye for now. 1 week later, after the wind knocked them around, knocked them down, they rise up, rise to the light. They rise up, and they'll do it 1,000 more times. Ooh, ooh, alright, it's about time to plant these tomatoes. Not just yet. Y'all stick around. Not this video, but come back, you hear? Y'all have a good one. Bye for now.